It's a huge embarrassment for the grand old party, for the Congress party. And the Congress party is down to leading on just one seat, a single seat. The Congress party contested on 61 seats this year. Remember, it won 19 seats in 2020. From 19 seats in 2020 to this journey has been a steep decline for the grand old party, part of the Mahagathbandhan, and the Mahagathbandhan has also done poorly in this Bihar election. Look at RJD, 23. Congress is leading on one seat. Even the AIMIM is leading on 6 seats. And look at HAM on 6 seats. HAM was given 6 seats by the NDA, and at the moment HAM is leading on 5 seats. AIMIM in 6, but Congress party is leading only in 1 seat, one single seat for the Congress party. Let's go across to Pragya. She is joining us in the broadcast with more details. Shrinking footprints within the alliance as well across the country. Now the Congress party leading on 1 seat. The grand old party has been reduced to leading on just 1 seat in Bihar.
Well, Swati, this also speaks about the ground reality and how these top leaders are in touch with those people who are actual voters. They may do, vote adhikar yatra, they may do Bharat Jodo yatra, and they may likely to project Rahul Gandhi as a leader of masses. But Bihar result clearly has shattered that particular perspective about Rahul Gandhi, and many in the Congress, remember, has already started speaking about it. Lack of coordination, and not just within the alliance but within the organization itself. There is total breakdown of the organization as far as Congress is concerned, and it will also lead to the breakage within the alliance as well. Tejaswi will blame Rahul Gandhi, and Rahul Gandhi is going to blame Tejaswi Yadav for not having better coordination in this particular poll. In fact, this is a point which cannot go any lower for Congress, and not even for RJD. RJD being a regional satrap, it is also a loss of face for them.
Remember, Pragya, it was during the campaigning for Bihar elections that someone in the Congress party called Rahul Gandhi the Jananayak. That individual said that just like Karpuri Thakur is the Jananayak of Bihar, Rahul Gandhi is the Jananayak of the country. Rahul Gandhi goes there for one vote adhikar yatra, creates a lot of buzz on ground, and then he is nowhere to be found.
Absolutely, you are absolutely spot on. In fact, the contest to get Jannayak title, even for Tejaswi Yadav and as similarly for the Rahul Gandhi, everyone was in Congress was trying to impress their own leaders by calling them Jannayak. But look at the state of Jannayak. This is also an insult to that title. In fact, many in the BJP had said that it is not easy to become Jannayak. You just can't be a part-time politician. You cannot just go abroad and come back and do one rally and call yourself Jannayak. You need to undergo sufferings. We have Charu Pragya of BJP also with us. Charu Pragya, the Jannayak title that they were giving to themselves, Mr. Rahul Gandhi also, do you think that image has been shattered? Now Congress is, just leading on one seat.
Titles are not given to yourself. They are given by people to you, and people have not aligned with anything, absolutely nothing.
30 सीटें ऐसा कहा जाता है